Hello guys, I'm your Gussadi originals and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome to Morne Beach, one of the Mauritius famous beach. In this video, I will take you on a journey through the Morne Beach, showing you its stunning beauty and thrilling water sports. It's famous. And also I will show some epic drone views. Please don't miss the end. As you step onto the Morne Beach, the first thing you will notice is how peaceful it feels. The water here is calm and perfect for swimming. There is a crystal clear water and white sandy beach. The sand is very shiny. It's compared to the other beaches. It's a very tourist spot. I spent some quiet time reading the Subtle of Art Not Giving a Fuck by Mark Manson. It's a remember that life is too short to stress about everything, and this beach is the perfect place to practice that mindset. It's really amazing the feel of the book and the nature. But Lemon is not only about relaxation. This beach is the world famous for kite surfing, thanks to its steady winds and perfect low-wind condition. Just look at these riders gliding across the water and soaring high with these kites. If you are into surfing, windsurfing or even paddle boarding, this is the one of the best spot in Mauritius to test your skills. Kite surfing is one of the most exciting water sports in the world, and Morne Beach is one of the best places on the planet to try it. This spot is a paradise for kite surfing riders. After spend time to observe the rider, what exactly is a kite surfing? A large kite pulls you across the water using the power of the wind. The result, speed, freedom and even the ability to launch into the air and the performing amazing thrill. If you are new, don't worry. You don't just jump straight into the water. Beginners usually starts with lessons on the sand. Learning how to control the kite, you will practice steering, launching and landing safely. Once you are comfortable, you move into the shallow water to combine kite control with the boarding skills. Once you have mastered the basics, it's time for the real fun. You will use the kite to pull yourself across the water, building speed as you edge the board. Advanced riders can jump, spin and even the ride waves. And here at the Lemon, the conditions are perfect. Flat lagoons for beginners and strong winds with waves for the pros. What makes Lemon unique is the combination of steady winds almost all year round, shallow sandy bottom lagoons for safe practice, and deeper wave zone for experts. That's why it's considered one of the world's top kite surfing destinations. Here you can see the woman. She is getting ready to do kite surfing, and the other person to hold in the kite in the opposite direction and release the kite. And now she is trying to move forward slowly towards the beach with the help of wind. I am really excited to watch them, how they are doing. She took the surfing board with the help of this man. She slowly moved into the sea. Wow, it's really amazing. Now you can see how they are doing. Wow, it's pretty good. And now you can see the drone view from above. Morne Beach looks like unreal.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? This is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you.
I hope you enjoy this video. If you don't mind, don't forget to hit the like button and share this with your family and friends. Of course, to subscribe to my channel for more traveling inspirational video, lifestyle content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. I'm your Gussadi originals, enjoying life, Pandago.